Friends, we are back here again with a new fungus. It is called Aspiri Sfungari. It is actually a white sponge fungus, and this is very difficult to excavate. It is found over here. You can see it is found over here in the pumpkin, and it has covered all the whole mass of the pumpkin, and it is very difficult to excavate because this is it is found a layer in the, as you can see, it is found in the layer of the fungus of the pumpkin. And this is a white sponge fungus which we are going to excavate very carefully, and we will be visualizing this under microscope for its propagation, its morphology, and etc., as in the previous videos as I have done. So we will be going to see this fungus under microscope. After that, before that, we have to put it in the culture. We're going to, in the culture. In this case, we will be using a MMOM, a special culture that I will explain later on. And this, first of all, we will be going to excavate this fungus from the stomach, from this pumpkin. So let us begin excavation. So here for this we need a knife and a scalpel and a forceps to hold the pumpkin, and very carefully we will be excavating the fungus from the layer. Very slowly we will be excavating the fungus, and we will be putting it into a petri dish, and after that the whole mass will be excavated. Very carefully you have to excavate it from the layer of the host, otherwise the fungus will be smashed and it will be of no use. So very carefully we are excavating the fungus. So let us begin. We are excavating carefully. This is very soft. The pumpkin has become very soft, and therefore the fungus is also very soft. So it is almost clear. As you can see, this fungus is almost clear, and this part is there, and it is done. So this fungus is almost, we have covered the whole fungus, and it is carefully eliminated. So here the scalpel work is over, and the fungus, as you can see, it has been taken over in the petri dish, and we will be putting it into the flask, for this culture flask. So let us remove this part, and we will be excavating, taking this part with fungus to the culture media. Hello friends, so we are back again with this agar. As you can see, this is MMOM agar. This is actually Murasic minimum organics medium. Actually this consists of, it is actually sugar based medium, and this medium, as you can see, it is in the beaker, and this medium is actually consisting of the multiple sugar bases with all the essential salts and the vitamins, and present to culture this sponge type sugary fungus. So we are going to put this culture media into the flask, and we will be proceeding for the culture of this fungus. And after 5 days we will be back to get the microscopic examination of this fungus. And regarding the details of this Murasic minimum organics medium, I can provide you, if you send me some comments, I can provide you this exact formation composition of this medium. This is a very unusual medium. As you can see, it is consisting of no pH medium, no pH indicator. It is transparent media, and it is consisting of no pH media, and it does not also consist any agar. It is based on typically on sucrose and inositol. This myoinositol is actually developing the tissues or the fungal base of this organic matter, rather this biomatter. So with all the essential salts and the vitamin thiamine hydrochloride also present in this formula, and it is basically an inorganic medium, and it produces a lot of growth in the fungus medium, and it is very different type of growth medium which has been used of this type of fungus. Let us see the proceedings after around 5 days. So we are going to just uncover the culture media flask, and we will be putting around 10 to 16 ml of the growth media, and growth media, and this growth media is coming up, and it is there inside, so we can see it is actually transparent. As you can see, it does not contain any pH indicator or any coloring agent, just transparent, and it is based on mainly on sugar. So sugar helps to develop this sucrose sugar, actually not glucose, it is sucrose sugar. So this helps to develop the fungus biomass, and after 5 days we will be culturing, testing this culture media, so how it persists. So it has been done. As you can see, the growth culture media has been there with this fungus is floating in the biomass, and the culture media, the fungus is floating, as you can see. So this is finished. So after 5 days we will be returning with the fungus. Already the fungus excavation has started, the transfer of fungus media to the culture media has started. So let us see how it takes up. So you have to cover the fungus media again, culture media again, and we will be putting here for storage. So hello friends, we are back again after 5 days with our fungus, that is Aspiri Sfungari, and we are now going to start the investigation, the microscopic investigation on this fungus. But we are here in a very auspicious day. You can see in my background there is a photograph of Sir Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Today it is his 389th birth anniversary. So this is a very auspicious day for investigating the fungus, and we will be wishing, or rather we will be wishing his appreciation and his blessings on the process of microscopic investigation, because we all know that he is the father of microbiology and we are doing the subject investigation on under his feet. So we wish his a very appreciative well blessings from him, and today is his birthday, so we are going to investigate our system of fungus system of fungal base of the Aspiri Sfungari under his blessings, and we will be wishing him up there in the heaven for all his peace, and let him rest in peace. So thank you, my friends. We are going to start the microscopic investigation under Sir Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, under the blessings of Sir Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Thank you. So you can see the Aspiri Sfungari under microscope. These are the Sfungari fringes, and the Sfungari molds also has been seen here, and different types of sponges effects you can see. The spongiums, these are the spongiums, the Sfungari Aspiri spongiums. This is looking black under the microscope because it is imbued in that dark field with green filter. Actually the sponges are white in color. They are mostly macroscopic also. The fungus has grown so fast and so spurious that it has become so profuse that it has become very dense, and it is very aggressive fungus, as you can see, and it has grown developed after 5 days. So the sporangiums, you can see clearly the sporangiums in the center, and the exact shape of the Aspiri Sfungari is under investigation. So we will be seeing that shape very lately. After very few minutes we will be able to see the exact shape of the Sfungari. So we are now viewing the large colony of the Sfungari, and large Sfungari complex also, and as you can see it is dark now because a very large colony has appeared before the microscope objective lens. So it is now cleared, and this is also a large colony, and as you can see, so here is the shape of the exact Sfungari, Aspiri Sfungari. You can see the sponge dumbbell shaped dumbbell sponge shaped structure in the middle of the screen, and this is the Aspiri Sfungari, exact Aspiri Sfungari fungus, and it is over there in the center of the screen, as you can see, and the fringes has developed surrounding it, and this is the exact shape of the Aspiri Sfungari fungus, which develops and makes the colony and becomes a very aggressive mold, and the very spacious mold and the profuse mold, as you can see. So this is the total development of the fungus, and it is done.